you're traveling, it can be really frustrating to not have access to a lap pool to continue your swim training, but if you get creative, you can get a good workout in a hotel pool. In today's video, I'm going to share 3 ways that you can get a good sweat on in a hotel pool. Let's go! So tip number 1 is probably the most obvious. If you are lucky enough to be at a hotel that actually has a lap pool like I do here, swim laps. But if you don't have a lap pool, that's totally fine too. You can check with the front desk and see if they know how long the pool is. And if they know that, you can enter that pool length in the MySwimPro app and use the pool selector tool to customize every single one of those workouts in the app to your pool length. So you don't have to worry about anything and you can still get a great lap swimming workout. If you aren't swimming in a lap pool and you're swimming in a pool that has lots of people lounging, just make sure you swim straight and you kind of keep an eye out for those people. You don't want to bump into them. That would not be good for you or for them. All right, tip number 2 is to try a Dryland and swimming combo circuit. So if you don't have access to a lap pool or you don't want to swim laps while you're traveling, you can try to pick a couple bodyweight exercises, do 10 reps of that exercise and swim a lap or 2 after each. So I like to pick an exercise from upper body category, lower body, core, and cardio. So my favorites are deck push-outs, squats, mountain climbers, and burpees. This one can be a real killer workout, so take your time, ease into it, and you're guaranteed to get a good sweat with this one. All right, tip number 3 is to try pool running or aqua jogging. If you have access to a shallow pool, it's a perfect place to do some running in the water and press against that resistance. As we know, water is 800 times more dense than air, and pool running is a great alternative, very low impact to running on land. So it'll get your heart rate up and really challenge your muscles. So if you've got a hotel pool, give it a try. And that is it. I hope these 3 tips were helpful to you and that you'll get a great workout on your next trip. Let us know in the comments below if you have any other tips and tricks for working out while on vacation. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more.